So when you go cruising, shopping can be one of the most fun parts of the cruise. So let's check out some of the stores on the Carnival Mardi Gras, as well as talk a little bit about the shopping available at the ports of call. So the shopping is going to differ a little bit by ship to ship. So on Carnival, there are some common threads you're going to find most ships. You're going to often find Cherry on Top, which is a candy store. There will be stores that have watches, jewelry, Carnival souvenirs, so lots and lots of options for ranging from things that are only a few dollars all the way up to hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of some of the jewelry. So there's lots of places for you to go and explore and spend money looking for those perfect souvenirs for your friends at home. On Carnival ships, Pixels is the place you can go look at the photos that the Carnival crew have been taking of you during your trip. You can choose to buy photographs in different sizes. Additionally, you can set up private photography sessions, and you can also often buy gear that's related to photography. At most international ports of call, you're going to find that there's a duty-free store that's sort of between where the ships dock and the rest of the port. At each port, there's often a mix of local shops and some like international type chains like Prairie Joe's. Additionally, if you leave the main port areas, you can also go into more of the downtowns, which will have different shopping options. So there's lots and lots of shopping when you stop at your ports of call. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to watch our entire series on the Carnival Mardi Gras, and we hope that you'll like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future videos.